What's up guys, Biker Dave here. This is my 2017 Dodge Durango RT. Make sure you see the playlist link that'll send you to other videos I've done about this vehicle. Very good car, truck, SUV, whatever you want to call it. I like it a lot. It's not perfect. You know, it's had quite a few unscheduled maintenance services done since I've owned it, but whatever. It's a car. It's got 107,000 miles. Runs really well now. But I have a warped rim. It's dented actually, not warped. There it is. Right there. I have no idea how it happened, but I can feel it when I drive. It's got a little thump to it, and a little bit of air will leak out of there as well. Fortunately, I can have it repaired for about $250 because I tried to find a replacement wheel, used one. I could not find the exact one anywhere, so whatever. I'm gonna take it to a shop in Marietta and they're gonna solve it for me. But what I want to tell you about is make sure you check the air pressure in your spare tire before you actually need it. I like to check my tire pressure in general, so follow your owner's manual as far as that goes, but the spare itself will often get neglected and forgotten. And then when you do need it and you put it on, it's only got like 15 psi in it. A lot of those little miniature spares need at least 50 to 60 psi, where your full-size spare like this one might need 35 to 40. And mine had about 18 because I hadn't checked it in forever. So yeah, whatever, my fault. So make sure you check yours, your spare tire regularly, because you'll see a lot of cars out there. They've obviously got their little miniature donut spare on, and all of a sudden it goes flat because they've never checked it, and it only has like 10 psi when it needs 50 to 60. And make sure you keep up with the little key. Not all cars have them, but a lot of them do. To remove this funky lock nut or lug nut here, you need the special key that came from the factory or the aftermarket shop, wherever you bought your wheels. Make sure you keep up with this. Most people store it in their glove compartment or center console in their car. Keep track of it, because if you go to a tire shop, or if you need to do it yourself and all of a sudden you can't find this little thing, you are probably screwed. So luckily I have mine, but I just wanted to make sure you guys know, keep track of that tire pressure and your little lug key. Make sure you check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, golf carts, scooters, and this vehicle as well. You'll see the playlist link pop up at the end about it. And if our video saved your life, click the thanks button you'll see underneath the video screen. Feel free to send a donation, because YouTube is completely free except for a premium. But doing decent videos that are helpful is definitely not free or cheap or easy. So y'all do the right thing. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.